Hello, my name is Erica Satterfield and welcome to my back to school night video. This year I'm particularly excited because we get to start off the year with a newly renovated science lab that directly attaches to the science classroom so that we can easily and smoothly move from lecture to lab content. Of course, this science lab comes with all of the mandatory emergency equipment, including a fire extinguisher, fire blanket, eye wash station with shower. Although this may appear like a hodgepodge of things sitting on the table, this is just a sampling of the types of labs your life science or biology student might experience. Uh, This includes building models using spice drops and Twizzlers, particularly models of DNA, extracting DNA from either split peas or strawberries and looking at that DNA under a microscope, analyzing genetic traits using monohybrid corn, and dissecting a fetal pig to investigate organs and organ systems. Life science will dissect frogs. All of the learning content for each class, whether it be chemistry, life science, or biology, is posted on Google Classroom and specific modules, particularly in chapter modules. The screen that you're looking at right now is actually chemistry's Google Classroom and the current module they're working in. That module will include all of the content that is going to be covered during that chapter up until the test. But one of the most important pieces is the bottom of that module. The bottom of that module will list all major project due dates, all quiz dates, and all test dates for that particular module of content or that particular chapter. And at the bottom of the module, there will always be a digital whiteboard, Google Jamboard, attached. That will include all of the notes that we have taken during class for that particular module. It is important that students study that digital whiteboard for each quiz and test. This is kind of a sample of what that digital whiteboard looks like. This is actually chemistry's current digital whiteboard. And all of the notes that are on the whiteboard will be used for quizzes. So if a student needs to study for a quiz, they should refer to the digital whiteboard. Similarly, they should keep all quizzes because I use the quizzes to drive the test. If you have any questions or concerns for me, please don't hesitate to reach out. I really look forward to working with your child this school year, and I hope they learn lots of new things.